All right, so this is day two of building Luminance. I don't know if I want to call it Luminance. Let's call it Project Luminance. I might name it Skylar or Lumen or something. It's simple. Anyway, I still have work to do for the maneuvering mechanics, but I've I've got the basics down. It took a long time to figure out the correct math, the right code. I mean, it's a lot of code. Look at this. This is for the camera, and this is for the maneuvering of the vehicle. Getting my input axes and then doing all this crazy math. So this is what it looks like now. It's pretty cool stuff. So that's just a small demo that once it reaches the end of the track, I just make the vehicle go back to the very beginning. That's why you see it loop, and it kind of glitches when it loops. But yeah, like I have man, it took me a while to figure this out, but so this code here kind of softens the blow when I hit the left edge. When I'm turning left, it like slows down my vehicle. And the same here with the right edge. When I turn and hit the right edge of the wall, the invisible wall, and I have my range width, which tells how wide of an area I can fly in, and then the padding, the range width pad, tells how much padding before the edge of the range width when I should slow down the vehicle, and then I use the range width pad here to slow down the vehicle based on how fast the vehicle is going and how close it is to the edge. And it's just a lot of math. Yeah. And with the camera, I added something just recently, like within the past 10 minutes, I added the vertical center and vertical offset. And then I figure out how to tilt the camera right here to look in the direction of the player, also looking ahead of the player by a certain amount, And so when I move up and down vertically, the camera changes. So when I move up, I can see the top of the vehicle, and when I move down, I can see the bottom of the vehicle, and that's controlled right here. So I'm actually going 9%. My camera position is 9% larger than my vehicle position. That's pretty much what this variable does. So let's just look at that one more time. Also, I was getting some issues with rendering the reflection of what's happening behind the vehicle. As you can see these lines here. Before it was just black, and I realized that was because of my material setting here for my spaceship. My metallic was up, so notice how when I bring metallic up, I can't see the reflection in the back. So when I bring it all the way down, I can see what's going on behind the camera, behind the vehicle. So I'm going to try to utilize that for some, graphical, eye candy. Pretty much everything you see here is just a test. Besides the vehicle, I'm happy with this. I don't want to change it at all. I think I did a really good job designing it. It only took me like an hour, maybe 2 hours. And I designed it in Blender, and I used a multiplier. What was it? A Vertex multiplier. So I created a simple model and multiplied it to make it super smooth. Yeah, it's just a really good 24-hour demo. From scratch, 24 hours. I made this. Also, what was I gonna say? Let's see. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Sorry. I've only used Unity for the past 24 hours. I installed it 24 hours ago. I've had about 2 months of experimenting experience in Unreal Engine 4, and during those 2 months I started learning Blender, and I forgot all the shortcut keys because I learned Blender like a year ago, over a year ago, year and a half ago, and jumping back into Blender for the second time, I had to look up all the shortcut keys on the web because I forgot how to use Blender. But yeah, I was able to pump this out within one day. by Jordan Aguirre, Blind. He's my best friend. We grew up together. And this is our project, inspired by Jordan and his music. For I think Tyler Tenchi, Skylar Tenchi or Skylar. I forgot the name of. It's one of his personas. That produced this song, and now 5 songs for this game. I can't wait.